welcome to askotisplace. Guys, this is going to be a very quick video. Remember in my last video I told you that when I get monetized I was going to come and let you know. Well, I'm here with the good news. Before we go into the video proper, my name is Otabi. Welcome to askotisplace. If this is your first time on the channel, nice to meet you. I hope you get to find something here useful. Subscribe please. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for coming back. Thank you for all the love and support. It's so good to have you here again. Woo! Monetization at last. Now I know some of you who are not YouTubers be wondering what's he talking about. What's monetization? Well, monetization is when YouTube accepts you into the YouTube Partner Program and adverts can now be placed on your videos. That's just what it is in simple terms. And before you achieve this partnership, you have to have at least 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. These 4,000 watch hours have to be achieved within a year, within 12 months. That does not mean that if you don't achieve the 4,000 within the 12 months, all your hours are wiped off. No, that's not what it means. What it means is that what it means is that when it reaches 1 year, when it reaches 12 months, the views you've gotten for it just keeps shifting. It doesn't wipe off the whole year. Once you've gotten to 12 months, you're entering the 13th month. The views from the watch hours from the 1 month that makes it 13 months will no longer count. The 12 months now count. So that's how it just keeps going. It doesn't wipe off everything. It just keeps going like that. Guys, that thing is not easy, but it's doable. I've had my channel for over 3 years, and in those 3 years I've not been posting regularly. I decided to start posting regularly, at least one video a week. I couldn't even keep up with that. In the 3 years I have just 17 videos on the channel. I had a few more, but I deleted those because I didn't like them at all. So I have 17 videos on my channel, and to be honest, I never thought I was going to be accepted into the partner program so soon. I didn't think I was going to achieve my watch hours. I remember I was talking to my husband and I said, this channel that I'm even posting like this, maybe sometime next year, that is when I'll get my watch hours and I'll get monetized. That's what I was saying. If you've not watched my appreciation video, I talked about this a little there, where one video on the channel just took off after 2 weeks of posting it. It just took off, and to about 200 subscribers, I now have over 3,200 subscribers. I remember when I checked my watch hours, there was a day I checked my watch hours, and I had gotten to about 300 watch hours, 300 out of 4,000, and I was like, yeah, I'm moving forward. But when this video just took off, within the space of a week, I was able to get my 4,000 watch hours. I have had over 7,000 watch hours, and over 3,200 of you are subscribed to the channel now, and that just settled everything for me. That made me get to my 1,000 subscribers, and also made me get my 4,000 watch hours. After getting my watch hours, I applied for the YouTube Partner Program. Guys, it's not a video telling you in detail, step by step, how to do that, because there are a lot of videos on YouTube. So many videos on YouTube telling you how to achieve your watch hours or telling you the steps and all that. But in order for you to be accepted into the program, you first have to, I think, enable 2-step verification, and you also have to create an AdSense account. I already had an AdSense account, so I just linked the AdSense account to the channel and applied for the program, and they sent a message saying, okay, and then there was a message saying it was in progress. I'm going to hear from them soon. I got a notification saying it could take up to a month for them to reply to me. So I just like, okay, no problem. I've had people in the past, I know that people stayed up to 7 months, 5 months, 3 months, 4 months before being monetized. I applied for the monetization on a Friday Friday afternoon, I think. I applied, and I just told myself, just give them at least a month, guys. I just said give them at least a month to hear from them. And on Monday at exactly 1:50 p.m. I got a mail from YouTube, and I was what is this? Congratulations, you've been accepted into the YouTube partner program. And I couldn't believe it because that was so fast. It was so quick, guys. When you've been accepted into YouTube partner program, you have to go to your back office and manually enable monetization on all your videos. So you have to do it by yourself. You don't just YouTube YouTube will not automatically put in adverts for you. You have to go and enable it for adverts to start running on your channel. This would have been possible without you guys, so thank you. I didn't expect that that video was going to give me my watch hours. What I was actually thinking was that I have to create a lot of content, so everything just accumulates gradually for me to get my watch time hours. But one video got me my watch hours in less than a week, and I got monetized in less than 24 hours, if I can say so, because it was Friday afternoon I applied for monetization, and Saturday was a weekend, Sunday and on Monday, it was by Monday afternoon I got confirmed. So if you actually look at it critically, it's about a day to get monetized, and that is crazy considering the fact that I know that sometimes it takes way longer, and I'm happy to have you come along with me on this journey. I just wanted to give you an update because I promised I was going to let you guys know when I got monetized. If you have any questions about monetization, please ask. I'm not an expert, but I think I've been on YouTube a while to know a few things about YouTube and YouTube monetization. So yeah, let me know in the comment section. Before I go, one thing that made my process quick was that I didn't have any copyright issues. And you have copyright issues when you use other people's songs without permission, when you take clips from movies and insert your videos. Those issues are going to raise up their ugly heads when it's time for review for monetization. I didn't have any of those, so I think that's one thing that made my monetization process go smooth. So this is just advice for people who are on this YouTube journey. Don't use other people's content, don't use other people's songs. There are some songs that are so nice that will flow so well with your videos. Don't be tempted, don't use them, because they're going to create issues for you later. They're going to make your whole process complicated. Use the songs on YouTube library. I know that the options are not that great, but better than nothing, better than getting a copyright strike. Use music from there, or unless you want to pay to use people's songs, you can do that, but don't use people's songs or people's clips without permission, because you're going to pay for it later. I think that's what made the process smooth, like I said. So yeah guys, thank you very much for watching. This is an update video. The next video will be a proper video. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. If you've not subscribed, like I said, please subscribe. And when you subscribe, turn on post notification. Click on the bell on the all option so that whenever videos are posted, you'll be one of the first to get them. I really appreciate all of you. Appreciate your support. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.